We're halfway through our week-long celebration of international food favorites, and today we're sharing a dish that originated in North Africa, became hugely popular in the Middle East, and now has taken America by storm. It's called shakshuka. Now, don't let the name scare you, cause it's simply some eggs that are cooked in a flavor-packed chunky tomato sauce. After cutting up an onion and green pepper, we saute them in a splash of olive oil. Once they're tender, we add some garlic, cumin, paprika, ground red pepper, and a bit of salt and pepper. After it cooks for a minute or so, we add in a can of diced tomatoes and let it simmer until it thickens up. Once it does, we stir in some feta cheese and a bit of freshly chopped cilantro. At this point, all we have to do is give it a good stir and then make indentations in this thick stew-like sauce and crack an egg into each one. After this cooks for a few minutes, it's ready to top with more cilantro and some freshly ground pepper. You'll probably want to serve this with pita or crusty bread so you can sop up every last bit. To get the recipe for Simple Shakshuka, just visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an internationally delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.